Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how you can get rid of or fix this error in Instagram. So I was using Instagram in my desktop version. So it was working fine. So I traveled to some places, and when I came back and connected back to my home Wi-Fi network, I am not able to log in. Then I thought that I would have put in the wrong password. So I tried to reset the password and I clicked on forgot password, but still it is not allowing me to reset the password. So it is telling me this error. It is telling me the error, we are sorry, but something went wrong. Please try again. So there is, you might get this error in other cases also when you have some suspicious activity in your account. If you have followed so many people or liked so many posts, that means you have triggered the algorithm of Instagram to note something suspicious in your account. So this is different from what I am talking about. What I am talking about is this message when you get when you try to reset your password. When you try to reset your password, you will get this error saying we are sorry, but something went wrong. Please try again. So in here you will not know what to do because you will not be able to reset your password. So it happens because of one reason. It is happening because you might have connected to Instagram from a different Wi-Fi network very frequently. In my case, I was traveling, so I use my mobile phone network to connect to Instagram or log into Instagram from multiple Wi-Fi networks. That means my different internet connections and providers were used from different locations. So in that case, Instagram has thought that okay, this person has logged in from multiple locations. Something wrong is happening with his account. So it is restricting your account and it is not allowing it to reset your password. So in this case, what can you do? In this case, before you connect to your home network, you have to connect to the same network that you connected some time back. If it is my phone that I have tethered and connected some time back, even after reaching my home Wi-Fi connection, I disconnected my home Wi-Fi connection and connected back to my phone, which I used to tether and connect it. So when I connected it to my home tethered, mobile phone, then I was able to log in and I was able to reset my password also. So basically this error happens because you are connecting to multiple IPs from multiple locations. So to solve this, you just have to connect back to one of the recent internet that you have connected and logged into Instagram. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.